Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lightchain AI token. Now this token is live for pre-sale. I saw this token actually listed on coinsniper.net. I saw it advertised in a banner. And then somebody left a comment either yesterday or today saying, hey, do a video on a Lightchain. So here we are. Now we're talking about Lightchain. If I see something enough, catches my eye enough, then we're going to do a video on it. We're going to talk about it. So Lightchain AI is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a full audit. Pre-sale just started November 24th. Goes all the way until June 1st, 2025. Ticker symbol is LCAI. We're going to go over the information on the Lightchain Protocol AI token pre-sale. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to post a couple pre-sale videos today. One of them is on Charlie the Unicorn. That pre-sale just started, and that one goes all the way to like April or something like that. It's a very long 150-day pre-sale. So check out Charlie the Unicorn. Zenix AI, that's another big pre-sale. I'm going to do a video on that token today. And then now we are talking about Lightchain AI. So Lightchain AI is that is the URL for Twitter right there, at Lightchain AI. Real easy to find that. 51 tweets. Has a link to their webpage right there, lightchain.ai. Real easy to find that as well. It says Lightchain Protocol, AI decentralized blockchain, uniting transparency, scalability, and innovation for the future of AI. And they have 10,300 Twitter followers. They just joined Twitter November 2024. Blue verified check mark. And then in their pinned tweet has a link to their webpage, and it says Lightchain presale is now live. So that's where you would go to get involved with the presale. They have, if you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of their webpage, you can find contact information in case you need to reach out. You can send them a message. They have a how to buy section, support, contest, audits, announcements, white paper, documentation, Twitter, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, Linktree, bridging, faucet, Explorer, testnet, external wallets. You could sign up for a newsletter. They have a, all sorts of Medium articles you could read. And yeah, either their full document section or their full white paper is going to have all the info you need. But basically, the pre-sale just started November 24th, goes all the way till June 1st, 5:58 UTC time. They do have a full audit by Spywolf. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. And so if you want to join the pre-sale, you just go right to the web page. You can connect your wallet. It says here that they have already raised $618,944. So they're doing very well here. You could use like a MetaMask wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase wallet, any one of those wallets. You'd fund it with ETH or USDT, it says. You punch in how much ETH you want to spend, and it'll tell you how much LCAI you get for that amount. You might have to wait until the pre-sale is over, though, to claim your token, so just be aware of that. And there's also a section here to refer a friend if you want to refer somebody, and maybe you get rewarded that way. So it says, welcome to Lightchain, the cutting-edge platform that is redefining the intersection of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. Lightchain AI is a transformative platform that integrates artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to address some of the most pressing challenges in both fields. It introduces a revolutionary ecosystem designed to leverage the strengths of both AI and blockchain, creating a transparent, decentralized, and efficient framework for the advanced AI computations. At its core, Lightchain AI seeks to bridge the gap between AI computational capabilities and blockchain's transparency and decentralization. The platform is built to solve key challenges such as number one, privacy and data sovereignty. So centralized AI systems often demand access to sensitive data, raising concerns about breaches and misuse. Lightchain AI prioritizes privacy through decentralized frameworks and secure computational methods. Number two, bias and trust. Traditional AI models often suffer from biases and the lack of inclusivity due to the centralized development practices. Lightchain AI decentralizes model training and governance to foster fairness and accountability. Number three, scalability and efficiency. Both AI and blockchain face performance bottlenecks that hinder real-time and large-scale applications. Lightchain AI employs innovative consensus mechanisms and architectures to ensure scalability without compromising efficiency. Also, number four, transparency and governance. By integrating blockchain technology, Lightchain AI ensures that AI operations are fully traceable, accountable, and transparent. Now, Lightchain's AI tokenomics is designed to ensure sustainability, equitable distribution, and long-term value for its ecosystem participants. There is a total supply capped at 10 billion tokens. 40% of the tokens go to the presale. 28.5% go to staking rewards, so you can stake the token to get rewards. 15% goes to the liquidity pool. 5% to marketing and partnerships. 6.5% to the treasury. 5% to team allocation. So there is inflation control, there's deflationary mechanisms, token utility, payment for AI tasks, staking for governance, and premium features. And sustainability and scalability have long-term incentives and ecosystem growth funds. And let's get to, they have a Telegram if you want to follow that at Lightchain Protocol. And they have an audit here somewhere. Let's try to pull up this audit here. So it says here it's by SpyWolf. It looks like I have to download the raw file. And there it is there. So full audit by SpyWolf, 19 pages here. Scroll through. We got to go through the table of contents, all that stuff. So it says key results, and they passed all the big stuff there. So it says, 18 decimal places. It's on ETH. It says 0% buy and sell taxes. So when it does go live, there is no buy and sell taxes. Top 3 unlocked wallets it goes through there. They have an owner wallet, pre-sale contract. So it passed most of the stuff here. Let's see here. No errors found. Okay, well, it doesn't seem to have any big threats here that I could see here. No high risk, no medium, no low risk. 2 informational issues. So there is some issues. There's not huge issues, but there's 2 informational issues. So just be aware, it's not a perfect audit. So definitely review the audit before investing. Review any audit before investing in any token. But, you know, especially this one, since there's a couple errors on there. Informational errors, it says. So check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.